If you love breast, this video is for you. Don't judge me, I actually meant chicken breast. Now start by seasoning your breast, your juicy breast on both sides with salt and black pepper to your liking. Heat up a pan on medium heat and melt your butter. Make sure not to burn it. I like a lot of butter, but you can use half and half. Half oil, half butter if you'd like to increase the heating point of your orders. Once the butter is melted, add in your seasoned chicken breast and let it cook on one side for around 3 to 4 minutes, depending on how thick your breast is. Tips 101 of making this nice chicken breast recipe. If you want your chicken breast to cook faster, what you can do is slice your chicken in half, butterfly way, and have like 2 thin pieces that will cook even faster, or use a rolling pin and roll your chicken out before you put it on the pan. This way your chicken cooks in half the time and you're sure that your chicken has cooked through. Alright, once your chicken is brown on the first side, as I said, 3 to 4 minutes depending on how thick your chicken is, turn your chicken breast over and let them cook on the other side. As you can see, these babies are nicely golden brown, as you can see. Really succulent, really nice. They look good, you know. In fact, I'm gonna let you see how nice they look with an up close of the chicken breast cooking in this nice butter. Check this out. Damn, look at how these babies are succulent cooking in that butter. Slow-mo is the best. Alright, now get your chicken out of your pan and put onions in. Saute those onions, alright? Let them release that nice aroma. I like the flavor of onion. I love onion. I could eat onions anything. Alright, once your onions are cooked, now it's time to put in the master, the star of this dish. Alright, some nicely chopped garlic. Alright, fresh garlic all the way. Never use garlic powder unless you really don't have garlic. Alright, how about some music to spice things up? DJ music. Because this is a creamy garlic herb chicken, we add our herbs. So this is basically chopped rosemary and thyme. Rosemary and thyme are always going good with chicken. Alright, rosemary goes actually good with almost all kinds of meat, beef, lamb, I don't know, chicken, you just name it. Alright, so let your aromas mix in together, let it blend together. Alright, at this time now we add a cup of chicken stock. Alright, you can just get a Maggi cube, crush it in the cup of water. Alright, let it cook together, just cook it for a while. And at this time you either add your cup of heavy cream if you have heavy cream, or whatever kind of cooking cream that you have. So add it to your nicely cooked chicken stock with your garlic, herbs and onion. Alright, just add sufficient amount, however much you want. Alright, this is a creamy garlic herb chicken breast recipe. So put as much cream as you want in this baby. Alright, so stir it in, let it cook for a while just to blend the flavors in with the cream just a little bit. Then now we're going to finish off our nice succulent breast inside this creamy sauce. Alright, until the cream turns thick. Right, as you can see right now it's a bit light, but once we put the chicken in and cook it for a while to finish off cooking it, remember our chicken breast is really thick, really thick, so we need it to continue cooking. Alright, so put it inside there. As you can see, our cream is already bubbling up. Alright, just let it cook inside this creamy sauce for a while. Well, now that my DJ has kept you entertained, how about you return that favor by just doing a simple task? hit that or smash that like button. Subscribe if you still haven't. Leave a comment about what you think of these recipes, because it goes a very long way to motivate me to keep creating these recipes. Boy, this is where the magic is. Just a hint of lemon and you elevate this dish to a whole nother level. This is the bomb. Alright guys, if you don't add lemon, it doesn't taste the same. And of course, a little bit more herbs, because this is a creamy herb garlic chicken breast with a bit of lemon. Alright, so add some more herbs. At this point, our chicken is already cooked. I promised you guys that this is going to be really thick sauce, and as you can see, it's already thick. It's time to serve this up. I can't continue speaking because I'm really salivating, so I'm gonna leave it at this, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe. Look at that beautiful baby. It's time to have this dish. Alright, try it out. Let me know how it goes. Till next time, bye bye. Kelvin out.